Hi, and welcome to this CloudNexum tutorial on creating a Lambda function in AWS, Part 1. I'm Nate, and today I'll guide you step by step through the process. By the end of this session, you'll know how to create and deploy your own serverless function. Let's get started. First, log in to your AWS Management Console. Once you're in, search for Lambda in the search bar at the top and click on it. This will take you to the AWS Lambda dashboard, where you can view your existing functions and create new ones. Now, let's create a function. Click the orange Create Function button. You'll see three options: author from scratch, use a blueprint, and use a container image. For this tutorial, we'll choose author from scratch. Next, give your function a name. For example, let's call it my first Lambda in Python. Then, choose a runtime environment. AWS supports various runtimes like Python, Node.js, Java, and more. For this example, we'll select Python 3.13. Leave the other settings as default and click Create Function. When your function is created, it comes with a default script called Hello from Lambda. This simple function returns a message, Hello from Lambda, when invoked. Let's test this default function. To test the function, click the Test tab. Create a new test event by selecting the default event template. Once done, click Test. You should see the result with a 200 status code and the message Hello from Lambda. To make your Lambda function accessible via a public HTTPS URL, you'll need to create a function URL. Go to the Configuration tab, select Function URL, and click Create Function URL. For testing purposes, we'll disable AWS IAM authentication. In the Auth Type section, choose None and click Save. Once created, the function URL will appear in the Function URL section. Copy and paste this URL into your browser, and it should return the message Hello from Lambda on the web page. To make this more interesting, let's update the message in the function. Edit the code, change the message, and save your changes. Refresh the browser, and you'll see the updated message displayed. And that's it. You've successfully created, tested, and deployed a Lambda function in AWS. This is just the beginning. Lambda can be integrated with other AWS services like S3, DynamoDB, and API Gateway to create powerful serverless applications. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and follow us for more informative videos. Stay tuned for Part 2 of our Lambda function series and more AWS training content from CloudNexum. See you next time.